Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to an amazing and wonderful place with the family, and within a day you can cover it. That's Bannerghatta National Park. Friends, already we have reached the destination and we have taken the ticket also. You can see there, that's the ticket counter. Actually, today is Thursday and absolutely there are no people. It's free. Only the school children are there. You can observe there. Only the school children are there. Okay, let us explore the Bannerghatta National Park, and I will tell you about the how Bannerghatta National Park founded. Okay, let us enjoy the. This is the entrance for safari. This is a sitting area for. See, the people are waiting over there. This is a sitting area for non-AC bus. The people are less here, I think.
Freedom is a choice, and yet so many people decide not to be free. I'm a free man, and I can think freely. They think we're crazy, the coolest freaks. But honestly, I think we're just happy.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸಫಾರಿ. ಈಗ ಝೂಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬನ್ನೇರುಘಟ್ಟ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಂದು 1970ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1974ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಂದ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಸೌತ್ 22 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 1200 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಬೋವ್ ಸಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಲು. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಫಾರಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಸಫಾರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, Bannerghatta National Park, it is around 22 kilometers from Bangalore Central. You can take bus as well as metro. Actually, we have entered the zoo. Let us check what is there in the zoo. Flying zebras. Northern giraffe. Friends, this is a Nilgai. Means in Kannada they will tell Neeli Jinke. See over there. Three are there. This is the Royal Bengal tiger. This is golden jackal. This is golden jackal. There is a boating point. Black buck. Wow. These are a little bit active. Hippopotamus. It's really huge. My God. You can see this, how they are sleeping there. Oh my God. It's really massive. This is a hog deer. See, the babies are there. Some kind of deer. Big elephant. Asian elephants. Barking deer. It's so little cute. It's very cute. Indian grey wolf. Friends, hope you are enjoying this video. Watch till the end, and if you are seeing my video first time, means do the subscribe and press the bell icon button also. These are Indian leopards. A jungle cat. They are here only. alligators.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳದ ಮೇಲೆ
ಹಾಯ್.
ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗದೆ ಮೂತಿ. ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಣ ಇನ್ನ. ನೋಡ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮರ
We are there in the museum actually. Finally we are ending the zoo after all. It was a nice experience.